Hey everybody, it's Pikachu7, and this is my science fair project. Part 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have it.
Did we spend science last time? I don't remember.
No, at the end. You just ended it, and I don't know why you did.
Alright, so go to the science building. Let's see what we can buy.
This?
Yep. If we can buy anything. Oh,
Light
might be everything's 45.
Wait, how much do we have? Where do we
30. It's at the top in blue.
45, 40. Wait, how much is that?
You can scroll up, but it's 45.
Why does everything have to be 45? Last time we went to the dessert. That's what I named that. I also got into orbit. That's one of the main things. I just want to see what you can unlock here.
That's got more command pods. That's got more science parts. That has more to make more complicated rockets.
Do we need to
That has more thrust.
Do we need to make complicated ones for the moon?
Somewhat, yeah.
So when do you think we could get to the moon? Do we have to get some of these parts?
It'd be helpful. Bigger engines is always helpful. I mean, bigger fuel containers, bigger engines. Oh yeah, all of it's helpful.
We won't be able to get to the moon today, though.
No. But maybe, maybe. If we build a big enough rocket, we might be able to get our orbit around the moon.
How much science would we get for that?
A good chunk.
More than 15?
Yes.
Yay! Because I just want to get one of these. Do you think next episode we can get to the moon?
I don't know. I mean, we still got... I think today I'm going to have you pilot the rocket yourself, which means we may see a crash today. But, I will let you do it yourself.
That's very nice. Hey, I saw you fail before.
Or maybe what I'll do is we'll get enough science where we can buy this one, and then we can get this one where then even if it crashes, we don't lose a pilot, because that just is for an unmanned command pod, so that we don't have to put a pilot in it, and you can pilot.
What if we lost? So. Before the video, you were explaining a few things to me.
Yeah, we currently have 3 Kerbal knots. We have a pilot, an engineer, and a scientist.
And we got another one, right? That was very stupid.
Oh, yeah. We recruited a new Kerbal knot. I forget his name. Let's check it out here.
It was...
Almond Kerman.
Yeah. I think... Wait, that... I don't know if he looks like... Not just... Like, I didn't know that was a name. I'm just thinking of a nut right now, so...
But, alright. So let's go for a big orbit with a craft here.
And a crash.
We'll see.
Only a crash. If we crash, do we lose the science we got?
No.
Yeah, okay.
You don't get any science for the mission where you crashed. I mean, well, you don't successfully return any science, so unless you had a antenna on to send science that way, you won't get any science for the mission, But go ahead, build us a new spaceship.
So how much do we? These? I remembered from last time, though, we haven't done probably like 4 days. Hope that number yet.
I think you're forgetting a decoupler.
Oh. Just drop it on this one Kerbal. Just... Why is he He's so strong. This?
Yeah, I would put that between the pod and anything else.
Yeah, this. Right here?
You gotta set it to the side because you gotta detach the fuel tank you're already attached. Yeah, just set it there. Anywhere's fine.
You get to go right there. Oh my god. What am I doing? I'm terrible. I don't feel like we're doing anything big this episode. What's the hardest planet you've got to?
I haven't gotten very far, honestly. I've only gotten to Minmus, which is the second satellite of Kerbal.
Heard someone talking about that in school. We were all talking about Kerbal Space Program. So what do? I got too distracted.
Well, you're designing this one yourself. I'm letting you do all the work yourself here to see how you do, how much you're absorbing.
Absorbing from the sun? This is so hard. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, forgot something. What are these? What is a MK2R radio mount parachute?
Basically, instead of needing to go on the top, it goes on the side.
Landing struts. Wait, LT1 landing struts. It may have been originally designed as a heavy-duty metal detector. I just look at you randomly. I think that's so weird. I don't remember anything else. I don't remember where to put the engine. I think engine's next. I think last time we did a solid fuel booster. I feel like I'm missing a decoupler. I am, right?
Well, you're going to want a liquid engine at the bottom of all that liquid fuel.
Wait. This?
I'd go with the 45 myself.
This?
Yep.
Bottom?
Yep.
Oh, I just want to observe the Kerbals right now. Why are you not working, man? Why are these people not working? They're not doing anything. They're just walking around, and you see that one in the hard hat and this one, and I don't know what he's doing. And do they notice that they have this floating above their heads? Do I put this under or decoupler?
You're going to want a decoupler. And what I would do, well, I'm letting you build it yourself, so I'll let you do what you want.
There? And I think, is everything here set up?
I don't think so. I think the top one, you're gonna want the parachute and the. Oh no, actually that's fine. Never mind. Yeah, that should be fine.
Am I done?
Go for it. Give it a launch.
10 minutes.
See what happens, right?
Woohoo. We'll probably do 2. Because I may crash terribly when we're not even into space.
Possibly. We'll see.
The first one, we did 2 because we didn't get that high. Or was it just celebration that we did our first? I don't know.
Alright, now I should tell you a little bit about controls. There are 3 directions that, well, there's 3 axes of motion for a rocket. There's pitch, which is kind of up and down if it was going sideways. Yaw, which would be left and right.
That sounds like sideways. A bear. That sounds like you yawning, like while you're sleeping.
Yaw.
You're for some reason you always say yaw. Oh, not mention it. And I fall asleep very late at night, so I hear everybody snoring. So.
All right, and the last is called roll, which would be the rotation of the rocket.
For some reason, I thought you were talking about Mega Man, but...
Now with this, with the controller, the way I have it set up, roll is left and right, pitch is up and down, and then yaw is these 2 buttons here.
So I can make you say yaw whenever I press it, because you're saying yaw, so I press it, so you're yaw. So you're saying yaw, so that means you're almost asleep. Now I'm confusing myself. I was trying to annoy you for a second because I just wanted to see Gemini. It's like, and then I also saw him sort of lagging right there. So, ready?
Give it a shot.
Let's see how quick I crash at.
Now you can press the either one. Just to give you stability.
It's yellow, man. I told you every episode.
Alright, press the other button. That'll help avoid the rocket from going crazy.
My control will make it go crazy.
Alright, solid boosters out of fuel.
Stage?
Yep. Stage again.
Again?
Again.
Oh my god. I thought I was actually gonna fall right there because they stopped moving. Sorry guys. Sorry that I almost... I sounded like I was crying. I wasn't.
You are actually still falling. So you're going to want to throttle up. That's the right trigger.
Next. Why didn't we do that at the start?
Because depending on the weight of the rocket, you may not want to go full throttle.
Oh, no, like, because you, like, lose 1/4. Oh no!
Wow.
You don't have those science things on.
You know.
Hey, that was your prank! Are we still gonna do this?
Maybe.
Maybe we'll crash, maybe. Is that the moon right there?
I don't think so.
It may just be like a giant star.
It's such a cluster. Maybe it could look something.
Are there meteorites?
In this game, no. Probably a good thing we don't need a random
That'd be hard. Like,
You notice by the control ball there that you are rolling.
I don't see.
The control ball is the blue circle at the bottom there. You see how it's spinning? That means you are rolling.
Am I the yellow thing?
Well, the yellow thing shows your orientation, how you're pointed.
You say so many words I've never even heard. Celebration.
So you want to move the controller left or right to kind of correct your roll. I mean the control stick, left or right. Try a couple ways to see how to.
Wait, what? I was sort of looking at one.
The joystick.
Oh, so right or left?
Try it. See what happens. See, that accelerates it, so that's not the right way. Stop. There. Perfect.
Oh my god. I do right first because...
Now, you're going pretty high here, but you're also out of fuel, so we're not going to be able to make orbit. Press M for the map.
Oh my god. I'm holding a controller while on the keyboard.
It looks like we're going to get a good distance out to 664,000 meters from the surface. And we're going to make it there in 10 minutes.
How do I get to the North Pole? Well, we would get science for that, right?
Yes. I think we landed
And
on
I'm
the
going to
North Pole.
call it Candyland.
No, I'm actually going to use some time acceleration here.
Time acceleration!
Oh, goodness.
That sounds like a commercial for time acceleration.
Alright, how long till our apoapsis at this point? Still 5 minutes away?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Remember you saying that before?
Yes. Alright.
Alright, should we do a second one?
Let's see here. Now, what I would recommend is doing a crew report, which I'm doing for you here.
Crew report.
And we are in space high over Kerbal, so we're getting another 7.5 science for that.
Yay!
And then I will once again attempt an EVA. Let's see how this works. Hopefully we don't get away from the rocket too much.
We're very high.
Yeah.
How high have you got?
Alright. We are... Actually, I want to go.
Oh.
F, grab. Oops. This... Oh, no, no, no.
No, man! What have you done? What have you done? Wait, what in the world?
While I'm doing this, might as well get my EVA report. Getting another 12 science for that.
So we should be able to get some new parts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, and we'll board there.
Wait, how do I get the view from inside at? I want to just do that.
The C button
It's really fun, I
for
think.
camera. There we go. And yeah, you can right click to move it around.
Wait, how do I look around here?
Right click and hold it down.
Wait. Oh my god. Do you think there's like a video of someone doing it just seeing in here?
Probably.
I want to check that. We're not moving anymore, right?
Well, we're near our apoapsis. Actually, look at the controls. It will tell us. So, you see our control ball there, the blue ball.
Yep, and it says orb.
That is our speed. We are at 96 meters per second. 95, slowly falling. Now the dial's to the right there. The bottom dial is our radar altitude, which we are way too high to use. The middle dial, I believe, let me zoom in here to see. That is our altitude, and it shows that we are falling.
Yeah.
And the top dial is our speed. Oh, that's how quickly we are falling. We are currently falling somewhere between 10 and 100 meters per second, and accelerating our fall. Okay.
That's some good science.
Some of them have special notes on them. I don't think this one does, though.
What special?
Some of the command pods have notes that you can look at when you're inside.
Like, what do they say? Some of them.
I don't know. We'll see when we get more.
Wait. 'Cause I need to get to some more.
Alright, hit C to look at us from outside the pod here. Alright, we are, what, 656,000 meters? I'm guessing we're going to need to accelerate a bit. Although
100!
Okay. Go 100 times. 2, 1. Alright, and then we're back to 1x because now we have entered the atmosphere. And you're going to want to do the next stage soon because you'll need the parachute.
Oh my god! I want to go inside again and see what it looks like inside.
Okay.
Having fun. Oh, we don't actually see.
Alright, hit C quickly. You want to use that parachute like now.
Now?
It's done.
How do I check again?
Scroll out here.
Oh my god, did that confuse you first time you played the game? A little? When did you start playing this game? A couple years ago?
No, only a couple months ago. Alright, most of our rocket just crashed, but we are still alive. Oh, we crashed again. It broke into a couple pieces.
We still keep the science at least. We didn't land in the North Pole. It's okay. It's okay. Why did everything have to get slower? Any second now. Any half a second now. Right now, probably. Yeah. Right. 3, 2, 1. Jebediah looks so distracted right now. He's like looking up in the air.
Where are we, anyway?
You're saying we're not in there? We're still in space?
No.
Oh, yeah. Grab. Yeah, throw it.
Oh, we can take a surface sample here. We're in the desert again? We are in the desert again. I don't know how that happened, but okay.
Oh my god. We're in desert? Is this the same desert as desert?
I don't know.
Because if it's not, I'm gonna call it Cake Island.
Alright, let's recover the vessel. Alright, we have 52 science now.
Just from that mission?
Well, no, that's overall. So we added 22. Now, do we want more stuff to collect science with so we get science faster? Do we want more command pods and control surfaces and things like that? Do we want more decouplers and struts and things like that? I'm guessing probably not. Or more engine parts.
What's the second one?
This one?
No, down.
This one? It has a new it has a cockpit and a probe core to do unmanned rockets. And that also has some basic aerodynamic controls. And a reaction wheel.
I want the good for science thing.
Good for science, okay. Let me just check in.
We still have 7 left after this, right?
Yep. Alright, so.
Still the first day.
I'll design a rocket now. Let's see how we do. Science. Nope, that's not how I want to do it. Although that might work actually. Nope, we'll do it that way. So it looks better.
I loved our first. That video had one of my favorite videos. That was awesome.
There, we got some legs on it.
Legs? What? Are we gonna be a spider or something? Wait, you remember the science? I love science.
Yes, yes. We've already got one science part. We're gonna put a couple others.
Actually, oh my god.
We don't need that.
Are those the goo things?
Yes. Oops.
3 now?
Just 2. That's all we need.
That literally looks like a robotic monster.
And we could put an antenna on if we wanted, but I don't think.
Do you think we'll get to the moon?
You know what? We will throw an antenna on. That'll allow us to actually grab stuff more than once. Oh, no, it won't. Never mind. We won't put an antenna on. Forget it. Let's see.
One video after this, right?
Yeah. Then we'll put a big old fuel tank on there.
Wait, did you say big old fuel tank?
I did say. Oh,
big old.
Never mind, because I thought we had Morba. We got the new engines.
Morba, yeah, Morba. That's definitely.
You know what? Yeah, we'll keep the big fuel tank. That's fine. Alright, so there's our top layer. Oops. Hang on.
What is our goal in this one? So what's our main goal today?
Well, you said you wanted to get to the North Pole, so let's do that. Alright, fuel tanks. And then 4 of these.
Oh my god.
2.
And oh my god, I know.
4. Oh, let's make it 5. Engine.
We're not gonna get to the moon today, maybe next episode. That's still today.
We might be able to orbit it with this. Let's see. And then the radial decoupler. And we want 4 of these. And engines, we're going to use our big old Separatrons here.
Big ol'.
Wait, are we too high? No,
Okay.
we're too high.
3 words that have.
We are. Okay. That's easy enough to fix.
3 words that do not make sense. Big ol'.
That'll work. Okay.
Jar.
And actually, we are going to... There's 1. Alright, which one is this one? This is this one, so we will need
Oh my gosh.
this one.
Wait, what is that Kerbal wearing? What is that Kerbal wearing? Oh my god, these people are weird.
Alright,
So
That'll get.
distracted.
Alright, that's the one we want. Alright, so that's those two. Alright, this will definitely get us into orbit.
Maybe around the moon. Right? Whenever I say moon, I think of the Legend of Zelda for some reason. Now that I just got that Majora's Mask DLC, I also found out that the 3DS version on the 13th.
Alright, and we'll save that as Daddy's Orbiter. There we go. Okay. You ready to launch it?
Yeah. So, stage one that comes. Why do we? Is that lagging, or is that part of the game where it takes so much time to see Gemini's face? So,
It's part of the game.
3, 2, 1, go! I'm scared.
Trust me, Angel.
Why?
Trust me. Trust me.
Hello?
Yep.
No, I was like, no, because the yellow button on the controller's Y. So, like,
See, we're already dipping here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see. Our yaw is not enough. Okay.
oh guys, connect an Xbox controller to the computer. That's what controller.
Alright, hit stage.
Stage, what are we doing, man?
Yacht.
But are you trying to crash us back into Earth? That's a big. What have you done? No.
We're alive.
Barely.
Take a crew report right here. Hey, I can see my house from here, I think. Alright.
What?
That was the crew report. He thinks he can see his house from here.
I thought you were like, you could see your house from here. Oh, that's super. Well, that's like, it's all around us. I'm checking the time. Are we still falling?
We are still falling.
What? How much science did we? I wonder how much science we got for just falling, though being alive. Wait, if we crashed into the Earth, would Gemini still be gone?
Yeah. And I'm observing the goo from the grasslands. We'll do a quick EVA.
Yeah, we went.
Get an EVA report right here where he thinks we're flying over it because he's not actually touching the ground. So I'll take it. And then I'll take a surface sample. Yep, looks like dirt. Grab it. Board it. Return it.
Yeah, that was like the most useless flight ever, but we get some good science, right?
We got 22 science for that.
Total 29.
Alright. Let's try that again. My ship here.
What's the auto-saved ship? It's weird.
That's whatever the last thing in the hangar was, which right now is going to be the same as the orbiter I've got here. But... Alright. And I will try it again here. This time I will pilot. Let's see how that goes.
Wait, was I the one that crashed? That made it fall down? Was it my fault?
Actually, I'm going to rearrange so that the engine goes at the same time as our booster. Actually, what might be the problem here is we might need some struts. But we don't have any struts because we didn't buy that.
Oh, science matters. Right? Science is awesome. Those are my favorite subjects. She was herself. Oh, awesome. They force you to watch them. All of you need to watch them. I wonder what other video games we're gonna do.
The lower layer of atmosphere. That's good. Now you wanted to go to the North Pole, so I will aim us. Actually, that orange line represents north, so we'll go north that way. And now that's recorded for posterity.
So weird.
Okay.
For 1 second, I thought you were talking about the game.
And we'll check the map here.
Kerbal.
We can bring up our control wheel, drop down a fuel reading here.
We are not in space yet. So is our goal just to get to the north of all the poles?
No, we're gonna make it into orbit, and then we're gonna see what happens here.
Oh. I didn't think you were smart enough to make it into orbit. You're just sticking your tongue out. Oh.
Let's up our speed a bit here.
Let's try to get to the moon today. I believe this is even the second one. It's already about 40 minutes. Well, I guess this is good because we missed some days of recording to make it extra special.
so far. Not quite in orbit. Alright, we're looking to make it to 136. 125. Just gonna throw a maneuver there so I get a look at how long it's gonna take me to get there.
We definitely get to go. Or
we're gonna just a bit until it's 30 seconds till we reach it. There we go. Turn thrust up all the way. And fire.
God. I thought of if I could name space, I would name it Luke Skywalker.
Alright, we're slowly
Literally
reaching
when
orbit.
we've all
There's our orbit. And there. Turn off our thrust.
are we in orbit?
We are in orbit. Now, it's not a perfect polar orbit, but it's pretty close. Now we can do a couple sciencey things.
Sciencey thing.
I don't think we'll get anything from this mystery goo. Well, we get half a science. And I'll reset it. But we can observe the materials bay and get a bunch of science from that. That's our new science part. We'll get 25 science from that.
Just from that?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm running around. I'm not actually.
Let me take a quick crew report here. Yeah, we get nothing for that. But maybe I can do a space EVA here. Okay, I am in fact.
Don't dare fall.
I got my finger on the F key, so I can grab if it pushes me off here.
Don't.
I think we're okay though.
Oh my god.
EVA reports. I get 8 science for being just above Kerbin's grasslands. Let's wait a bit though. Because I think at some point I will not be over Kerbin's grasslands. I'll be over another part of Kerbin when I should be able to get more science.
This is so much science. So much.
Alright, I don't want to accelerate time while I'm attached to it because that's a good way to lose the rocket. So we will wait. And we're seeing the sunrise from orbit.
Does that mean it's the second day? We made it to the second day!
Well, no, because sunrise depends on where you are, and we're definitely not at the Space Center right now, so...
Wait, what? We're not at the Space Center. So is it night for us? Probably night, right?
At the Space Center? Probably still. Let's see where we are. Now we're over the Highlands, but we're not getting anything because we've taken one from there before. Can we look straight down?
Too dark.
Yeah. Grab onto that.
Oh my god!
Fall.
Oh my god. I was like so scared for a second. One
Look at the map real quick. Okay. Look at him.
For 1 second, I thought he had a tail.
Oh, over the tundra, we get. We still only get 8 cents. So 8 science. For
Science, not 8 cents.
Yeah. All right,
We're not in the mode where you get money.
All right, so we got that science at least.
Science.
Yeah, I bet if I slowed down here for a good amount, I might actually be able to make it to the North Pole, but it's more efficient to do it slow down a little further away. We still have a good amount of fuel, but we'll take our time.
Where's the North Pole? Right there?
That is where the North Pole is, yes.
We're right above it, actually, right there.
So let's do an orbit. And we're about to reach our periapsis of 80,000 meters. Plenty low enough.
I think we're gonna land in the north of all poles.
I'm going to begin decelerating at our apoapsis.
Get ready. No!
Alright, where are we? Alright, we must have just passed it. So what I'm going to do, now part of the stability control allows me to aim right for the retrograde direction, which is the opposite direction of our of the way we're heading, basically. And I'm going to slow us down. Oh, I'll slow us down by 500 meters per second. So our goal is to 1645.
Next episode, we'll probably get to the next day.
Maybe I didn't even need to slow us down that much.
30 plus 24.
Let's go for just 300 to 1845. 1850 is good enough. Alright, let's see what the map says here. Oh, that says I actually slowed us down a little too much. We won't reach the North Pole at that point. So, instead, let's switch to prograde and accelerate again. Maybe I just wanted to go to up to like 2000. What's that saying? Push us a little beyond, which might actually still be too close. We might not make it to where we want, because we're going to start slowing down as we reach the... What? So let me accelerate a little bit more. Boom. That should work.
Yes! Yes.
We still got a lot of gas, a lot of fuel, so if we need to adjust it, we've got space to do that.
For some reason, I thought you were talking about a car when you said gas. A flying car. When they make flying cars, do you think they'll need gas?
Need some type of fuel.
For some reason, I thought the sun was the moon's eye.
Oh wait, no, we're at 80,000. Why did I think we were at 50,000 meters? I don't know. Alright, let's see how
Wait,
fast
did you
we're going.
think, or did you just say or did you say the wrong thing? Because of this.
I thought I misread it. I don't know.
You thought you misread it?
Well, I did misread it.
You thought you misread it, though.
Alright, I actually want to start decelerating quite a bit here.
But I saw this random note.
We are already over the pole here, but we're not low enough, so we're going to decelerate a bit.
Decelerate!
That should do it. And we'll be reaching atmosphere soon. You can see the moon there.
Triple is so happy right now. Just look at him. Is he eating a cake or something? He's that happy. We're still in space.
No, we're on the top level of the atmosphere. We're soon to reach the middle level of the atmosphere.
So slow.
Middle level starts at 32,000 meters. And then we're going to start having our re-entry.
The middle one?
Yep.
The middle one, I feel like it's going faster. Probably from that thing that's making us burn right now.
Alright. Oh, I don't want to miss though.
Oh no. Oh no.
Can we go prograde? Burn off the rest of our gas this way. That's all our fuel. Drop that. We'll drop a parachute.
I'm gonna name this ice cream and popsicles.
Now, gears. We're going to turn off the gears and turn them back on to set ourselves to land. And will we get anything for our goo here? Not yet. Still just considers us flying at Kerbal. Did we ever take a crew report? We did not. Grasslands. We're not on the grasslands. Are we on the grasslands? I don't think we're on the grasslands.
On the north. Is there a south pole too?
Of course.
South parts.
We may just be on snow-covered grasslands. That would stink. We may have missed entirely what we were going for.
That would be so sad.
Yep.
I literally start crying. Maybe now. Oh my god, we're like almost an hour into the video.
We are now out of electric charge. Hopefully I can still do the experiments. I accidentally tried to have it.
What? Wait, how did we run out of electric charge?
I left the stability control on like a silly person. Oh, stay upright. Okay, good. We're good. Test here. Yeah, it considers it grassland. Ooh. let's lower ourselves down a bit. Although I don't think we'll be able to get back in if I get out, so maybe I'll just leave it.
It's grass. Wait, why is it grassland?
It's just snow-covered grassland.
How are we supposed to tell?
Yeah.
You got no science this mission.
We got some, but not as much as I was hoping for. Alright, let's recover.
Did you say grubbard?
I said, let's recover!
Hmm.
We got 35 science. More than enough to buy another component.
Okay. Okay. Want to get one this video or next video?
Next video.
Okay.
Alright, let's take a break.
Hey. Bye.